You see, most people, when they hear about online business opportunities, when they hear about the possibility that they can stay home and start making money online and making this kind of money working on the internet, what they do is to go online, do a quick research, looking for a place where they can find product to promote online. That's how they will come across ClickBank or JVZoo. And this income proof that I'm sharing with you is from jvzoo.com. So when people hear about those platforms where they can go create a free account, choose a product and start promoting it online, they will just jump into it and claim that they are affiliate marketers. But the truth is, before you can make this kind of money passively doing almost nothing online, you will need to set up a system that will be doing the work for you. That's what I'm here to share with you today and give you access to a free platform where you will have training, you will have support. You will meet people that are six-figure earners on the internet and they are ready to give you the right advice to show you what they are personally doing to make it online. Before you can start making consistent amount of money working online, there has to be a system to put in place. That's what most people don't want to do. If you take 100 people, 95 of those will not want to do this work. They will want to go for the easy way, grab their affiliate links and start sharing it on social media, expecting to make sales. I'm here to help you. I'm here to give you access to a free platform where you will get help, where you will get free training. You will be able to create your own website without needing a hosting platform, without needing to buy any domain name, and you will have access to those for free, and they will share with you how you can start making this kind of money. That's what I do, and I will wake up every day with notifications in my email telling me that I've made sales. And if you have access to this platform, if you do as they tell you to do, if you are ready to do the work, you will be able to make money while you are sleeping. And income disclaimer, I'm not guaranteeing that you are going to make that same amount of money every day or even more than that, because I don't know what are the efforts that you are going to put into this. But one thing is certain, you will only fail if you quit. If you click on this video because you are looking for something that is going to make you money so you can pay your rent at the end of this month, please do not join. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you have ambitions, if you are ready to build the future of your family, if you are ready to build the future of your children, this is the right platform that you will have access to and start building your business online. And as I already mentioned, it's free to get started. So if you go in the description of this video, you will see the link, which is my #1 recommendation to make full-time income online. If you click on that link, you will go to a page where I will ask for your email address, because I will be sending you the link to download my free book, Simple Steps to a Six-Figure Business with Affiliate Marketing, and the link to create your free account to have access to the platform I'm talking about. That's what I'm here to share with you today. If you enjoyed the video, let me know in the comment section. Like it, share it, and subscribe to let me know that you want more of this. When you subscribe, remember to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new videos or when I go live on this channel. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.